Hey Christian, sorry it took so long to respond to your question, but here it is. Okay, so I believe it was 1D on 6A. Okay, so to complete the square, let's start with factoring out our leading coefficient, so taking out the 3. So what am I left with in here? X squared, 90 divided by 3 would be plus 30 x, and then I'm going to leave a bunch of space, plus 50, and close the bracket. Okay. Now I'm doing that just to save space because I know I need to add whatever half of 30 is squared and then minus 15 squared. Okay. Now, next step, I know I need to bring out, let me use blue for this, I need to bring out the 3 and whatever this last term is, the negative 15 squared. Okay, so what is 15 squared? 15 squared is 225. So this is negative 225. Negative 225 times 3 will give me negative 675. So that's where you got your negative 675 from. Okay. Now, you were very close, Christian, and here is where your mistake is. So y equals, I'm just copying the rest of this down, and you know what? To save us time, I know that these 3 will just easily convert to x plus, and then whatever half of 30 is, which is 15 squared. Okay, and then don't forget the plus 50. And then your last step, y equals 3 x plus 15 squared, and then whatever negative 675 plus 50 is, and that should give me negative 625. Okay, which means your vertex should be negative 15 and negative 625. Now, don't get so caught up onto whether the numbers are too big, too small. The easiest way to check if this makes sense is to Desmos it. So I'm going to open up Desmos and type in the exact equation. 3x squared plus 90x plus 50. 3x squared plus 90x plus 50. Let's look at the vertex. Negative 50, negative 625. Negative 15, negative 625. There we go. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. And hold on, I just want to double check that I answered your question. And vertex of 15, so negative 15, so you just forgot to change the sign here. And negative 175, negative 175. How did you get 175? I'm not sure how you got the 175, but to get the negative 625, you just had to remember to multiply the 15 squared times 3, which is negative 675, and then add the 50 that was originally in the question. Okay? Hopefully that answers it. If not, let me know. Take care.